Alright guys, today the mods continue on the 2012 NISSAN Frontier with the Titan swap lift. Today, well, we're gonna put in a K&N air filter. Hopefully this will be work really nice with the free-flowing exhaust we put on the Flowmaster, and really bring the horsepower levels up on this little 4-cylinder in here. This little 2.5 won't know what's happening with it, with being able to breathe so much better and get the gases out faster. So let's go ahead and get this installed. All right, opening up the box, taking the filter out. Oh, got all the stickers and stuff. We don't want to lose that. Follow us. K&N. Ooh. So this is a pretty good filter right here. Look how big it is. These little 4 cylinders, they put a big air filter in them. Yeah, packaged very nicely as usual from K&N, and got all the instructions and things to do. We'll have to put this sticker on there somewhere so they know when they smog it, and we'll put this one somewhere on the window. What do we got? We got some warranty information. To register your K&N filter. Yeah, anyway, let's get this thing in there. Now this engine compartment, as we were looking before, is pretty dirty, but we're gonna get in there and clean up the air box where the filter goes, and we may take the inlet tube off the throttle body and make sure the throttle body is clean as well where the flap is. All right, let's get this filter in there and bring this performance levels up on this little Frontier. I'm hoping this is a good angle for this. Should be. Let's get in here and check a look at this filter we got going on. Let's see how dirty it is. Oh, it's not that bad. Looks pretty good. But we're gonna make it that much better. And I want to take a look inside the intake, and I'll show you why. See, put some light on it. As you can see, there's some leaves and some dirt inside. Now that's the dirty side of the intake box, the filter box. The clean side is clean, but we did make a little mess right there on the back when we took the filter out. So I'm gonna get the vacuum and I'm gonna clean the inside of that box out a little bit and wipe it out. Make sure it's nice and clean before we put the new K&N in. Okay, so I've got the air box all cleaned up. Even took them and washed the outside a little bit, but it's all clean on the inside. Now let's get that filter in. Now these come pre-oiled, ready to go. There we go. And let's get it installed. There we go. Don't need that bag where we're going. Let's see, we'll just open this up and drop this inside. Of course, that's in the way. There, perfect. Now, hard part is getting this thing to fit back up on here. There we go. And just latch these locks over. Give it a quick look, make sure it's sealed all the way around. Looks good. Okay, that was the install of the K&N filter. Let's see how it works with the exhaust. Obviously you're not going to see a difference, but just starting it up. But pretty easy to do. See if we can hear it. There we go. Yeah, now it's gonna breathe a little better, you know? One last thing to do here is to put the sticker on. I think it's gonna have to go right there. So let's clean that area up. Make sure it's all good and clean for the sticker. Yeah, that looks good. I think with this sticker we had like 10 horsepower, you know? I'm just kidding. Ah, we'll put that sticker right there. Stop! Do not discard. How about that? Huh? How about that? Take a look at that. Yeah! K&N. Washable, reusable air filter. Alright. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. So I always come back DIY Willy, where we're working on things like the NISSAN Frontiers, both of them, the Suzuki Samurai, the mini bikes, and of course the Silverado. So yeah, I'll see you next time.